outfit is definitely one of my favorites. A classic high-low pinstripe top, perfect for this weather. Wear it for a brunch or out shopping with your friends. Pair it with pants or shorts, just so effortless and classy. And minimal accessories, cause let the style speak for itself.
He was my best friend. Now that I need him, I need you now. I don't wanna rush, but I'm tired.
A solid grey top with geometric design skirt, simple and so wearable. Wear it for lunches, dinners or just any outing with friends. Add a statement neck piece and this outfit just gets to another level. And some sparkly shoes because every girl loves her Cinderella moments.
I'm afraid to trust, but I'm tired. Walking the streets without your love.
The next outfit is a simple white top with light olive green grey culottes. Culottes are so trendy and this set is also very comfy and trendy. Just throw on this outfit for movies or a chilled out Sunday outing.
Breathe in, breathe out.
The next outfit is again a culotte, but a pretty blue one with a satiny top and flared sleeves. I love the sleeves, so girly and feminine. I can absolutely live in this outfit all day. You can wear this outfit for almost any outing, may it be lunch, coffee, dinner or shopping. Isn't it perfect?
And somehow I still miss you, babe.
An absolute essential in everyone's wardrobe is definitely a white shirt, and when paired with blue denims is a classic. I decided to add my own twist to this outfit by just adding a black belt, and it completely transformed the outfit.
I'm feeling lonely when I'm sober. I'm afraid to trust, but I'm tired. Walking the streets without your love.
This next one is such a cute statement piece. It's a light lavender grey fluffy fringe top, and have seen so many people wearing the fluffy fringe, be it skirts, tops or jackets. I've paired it with white solid pants to not draw attention away from the top. The next top is a powder blue color wraparound top with flower print. I'm obsessed with the color. I have paired it with blush pink culottes and minimal accessories. It is such a girly and feminine top. You can also pair it with white pants or blue denims. Simple but a very pretty outfit.
I lost count of my mistakes. Maybe I should leave this town. Feeling so empty. Where's my best friend?
Well, I needed something to throw on just to run my everyday errands. And this is just a cute and simple pink top that can be paired with pants, denims or shorts. This is a casual and comfy no-stress outfit, and I'm also wearing my fur slip-ons with it.
Afraid to trust, but I'm tired of walking the streets without your love. I don't wanna rush, but I'm tired of feeling lonely when I'm sober. I'm afraid to trust, but I'm tired of walking the streets without your love.
The last outfit of this haul is a pretty satiny spaghetti top with white culottes. I love the color of this top as well as the bird print on it. I don't want anything in this color, and pairing it with white culottes definitely makes it a perfect outfit for Sunday brunches. So classy yet simple. I'm also adding a pair of tassel earrings just to finish that look. So this is my Bangkok try on haul video, and let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite outfit or top or set from this collection. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and stay connected. As I say always, loads of love, hugs and kisses, XOXO, bye.